welcome friends, I'm your friend Iram. These days, I'm deeply saddened because of the Los Angeles wildfires of 2025, which took place on 7th January and have left an indelible scar on the city and its people. With a death toll of 27, around 31 people still missing and over 12,400 structures destroyed. This tragedy has become one of the most devastating in recent years, as it consists of a series of 30 wildfires. Roughly, an area of 164 kilometers square is burned under it. But why do these fires keep happening? What fuels them? And how can we prevent such disasters in the future? Let's break it down. In this video, I'll break down the numbers, the causes, and the impacts of the Los Angeles wildfires along with the heroic efforts to contain them. Let's dive in. As of today, Los Angeles wildfires have claimed 27 lives, with 31 people still missing and over 12,400 structures, including homes, schools, and businesses, have been reduced to ashes, leaving thousands of families homeless. Official number says 205,000 people have been evacuated from there. Most of the damage has been done by two largest fires: the Palisades fires in the Pacific Palisades and the Eden fires in Altadena. They're likely the fourth and second most destructive fires in California's history, respectively. Firefighters have been battling the flames for 11 days straight, using helicopters and other sources to contain the Palisades fires. The situation remains critical as severe winds are fanning the flames. While I'm shooting this video, 3 fires are still burning the Southern California. The US National Weather Service issued a red flag warning for severe fire conditions on Wednesday, citing winds of 80 km per hour, gusts in the mountains reaching 113 km per hour. These conditions make firefighting efforts even more challenging. Los Angeles has always been prone to wildfires, but what makes them so frequent and devastating? Let's break it down into 3 major reasons. First, climate change is a major factor. California has experienced record-breaking heat waves and prolonged droughts. In fact, 90% of the state is currently in severe droughts, and temperatures have risen by 2 degrees Fahrenheit over the last century. This creates the perfect conditions for wildfire to start and spread rapidly. Second, strong winds like the Santa Ana winds, which can reach speed of up to 113 km per hour, drive these fires across vast areas in few minutes. These winds not only spread the flames but also make firefighting nearly impossible. And lastly, human activity is often act as a spark. Experts estimate that 85% of wildfires are caused by humans, whether through electrical equipment failures, discarded cigarettes, or even acts of arson. Many of the California's most destructive wildfires were caused by power lines. Investigators are still working to identify what caused the speed of fire that ignited around Los Angeles last week. But residents believe that the poor electrical infrastructure is the reason behind this wildfire. The impact of the Los Angeles wildfires of 2025 is catastrophic. As per AccuWeather latest estimate, the total damage and the economic loss can be calculated as $250 billion to $275 billion. Meanwhile, CoreLogic estimated that insured losses from the fires could reach $35 billion to $45 billion. But it's not just about money. The emotional and environmental toll is immeasurable. Thousands of families have lost their homes, and wildlife has been severely affected. Many animals have lost their habitats, and the air quality in the region has reached hazardous levels. In just 11 days, these fires have released millions of tons of CO2 into the atmosphere, worsening global warming and contributing to a vicious cycle. This is not just a local crisis, it's a global one. So how do we prevent this from happening again? The number points to actionable solutions. Forest management. Controlled burns and forest thinning have been shown to reduce fire intensity by up to 50%. 50%. Early warning systems. Los Angeles has installed over 50 new weather monitoring stations to track fire-prone conditions at the earliest. Fire safety education. Public awareness campaigns could prevent up to 80% of human-caused fires. Long-term solutions like preventing climate change is also critical. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions, investing in renewable energy, and rethinking urban planning near urban areas can make a significant difference. The impact of the Los Angeles wildfires of 2025 are a stark reminder of how vulnerable we are to the nature's fury. But it's also a wake-up call for us to limit the exploitation of nature. Only then we can protect our planet for future generations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates and stories like this. And let us know in the comments what steps do you think are most important to prevent wildfires. Stay safe. See you in the next video.